Hi, I'm Marna, and I love Baby Alive dolls. What I don't love, what I absolutely abhor, is when Baby Alive dolls get human foods pushed through their bodies, and not only does it make a mess, it's not good for the dolls, and it's just quite a mess. And I've seen some concoctions, oh my goodness, that people put through these dolls. One video on YouTube, my mouth must have been like the whole time. This young lady, God love her, she was just trying to make a video and do something cute, had about, and I'm not exaggerating this, 2 cups of sugar, granulated sugar, that she was adding water and stirring and slopping, and then she put in food coloring and stirred that and slopped. And I thought, not only is that going to be horrible going through that doll, who's cleaning the mess up on the counter? If you've ever gotten, like you're making your coffee and you sprinkle the sugar or gets a little bit here, and you wipe a little more, and sugar just grows. It's a mess. And you don't want that through your doll. What could you do when you run out of Hasbro's little packets of food that were made for the doll? Not Jell-O. No. I have cleaned a lot of these dolls. I buy most of my dolls used. I rescue them. And the things I have found in Baby Alives, plus the fact when you put food items through these dolls and do not clean them properly afterwards, you can attract a lot of bugs, and yes, inside the doll, and that's what in your child's toy box, and you don't want that. So I came up with a clean way that will actually clean your doll as you feed, and that is Goop hand cleaner. I use this to clean dolls, and I started using it when I first started rescuing dolls. I had a lot of vintage dolls and troll dolls especially, and a lot of them would have a little bit musky, mildewy smell to them, and I found that this stuff is not only fantastic cleaner, it is non-toxic and biodegradable. Oh, wonderful. So I tried using this to mix with food coloring. Wait, I'm dropping stuff. And I thought we would try to make Baby Alive food with Goop. Now, when I use this Goop, I tell this story all the time. When I was a kid, every dad had this in his garage, and they would get the tar. We were barefoot in the streets all the time, and just for the fun of it, we weren't poor. We just liked to be barefoot. But you had this, and they'd clean you up with it, and there was always, they'd work on their cars, and they'd put their hands in it, and it would always have like nasty black and grease and crap in it. So I always get it out 1 clean spoonful at a time, because I like to keep my Goop nice. I do use it in doll hair for untangling also. So anyway, I'm taking the Goop and I'm putting it into a glass baby food jar. These used to be reused for everything. Now I don't even think you can buy them. And I'm going to add a touch of food coloring. I'm using the gel kind because that's the kind we found on the shelf. I can't find my baby spoons, so I'm using a teaspoon. And I like these for eating ice cream. You can see that mixes well. And when you put this through your doll, what will it do? It'll actually clean your doll on the way through. But always, 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 always put water through your doll after you feed it, and make sure it is running clean. Now, what's the other good thing about this baby food jar? When you're done, you can put this lid on and store that and keep it. Not every Baby Alive doll eats food. Some are simply drinking wet. Know your doll. Know that you cannot cram food into a drinking wet doll or one that is neither. Not every Hasbro baby alive is made for the food. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday.